All right, so what I wanted to do is want to create my webbing. And so the first thing I'm going to do is make sure I am using def points because these are just temporary lines. So I'm going to do a line and I'm going to type in MID enter so that I can find the midpoint somewhere here. So I'm going to drag up and then press escape to stop. I also want this to be longer down here, so I'm going to just drag this down and make sure it's vertical. Next, I will draw another line from this endpoint to the end of my truss here. So this is the end of my truss. It doesn't matter which point here as long as it's the end here. And then I will divide this into segments. Before that, I need to change back to another layer instead of def points. Okay, because when I do the use the divide command, divide, it will divide this into segments, and I won't see the divisions until I change my layer into another one other than def points. So I'm going to click the line, and then I will immediately type in the number of segments. If I type in 5 and press enter, I will see these markings over here. Now, these markings, you will not see them if you don't change your point type. So you can type in DDP type, and then right now it's set to this one. So by default, my divisions are set to this one. So if I click OK, they're gone. But there's actually a point here that you may not see. So I'm going to erase those 4 points there, press enter. And if I divide again, so if I divide, enter, and then I type in 10, I will see that 10 divisions here, but I don't see any markings anymore. There is a marking here. So if I try to select that, you'll see that there's a very small dot there. And that's the whole point of DDP type, is that you can change the type of font of dot you want. Okay. So if you don't see the divisions, make sure you type P type or DDP type and then change the type of font you see. Okay. And once you have that, then all you have to do is draw a line. I'm going to go back to my layer def points and I'm going to draw a line, and I will have to change my point type first from, no, where's that? I'm going to remove everything except node. That means I want to attach to a node. So I select that, press enter, and I simply point here and draw vertical line, press escape, line again, point here, draw a straight line above, press escape, line again, press enter. Okay, and all you have to do is draw those lines to create the divisions, okay, for your truss. Okay, so I won't need them anymore, so I can simply erase these dots. I won't need the line anymore. I do need this to be longer, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna drag them. And then one last thing that I need to do, I need to now create the diagonals. So I'm simply going to do a line, and I'm going to simply change again my O snap. I remove the node and I select intersections. And then I simply select this point here to go there. Press escape, line again, press intersection to intersection, press escape. Okay, line again, intersection to intersection, press escape, go line again, intersection to intersection, press escape, and so forth and so on. Okay, so that's how to use the divide command to divide them into equal sections. Oh, I have another division here that I erased. So I can just copy this line. So copy and copy this line from intersection to intersection, and I draw a line again from here to here, and then a line again from here to here. Okay, and then that's how to divide into equal segments. I'm not going to do this on the left side because I will simply mirror this after I made this line doubles. Okay, so that's how to use the divide command in DDP type.